Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about Doordash's Interesting Offer. So one of my subscribers ended up emailing me on an offer he received from Doordash relatively recently. BC, thank you so much for sending me this email and making this video possible. And honestly, I think it's actually pretty interesting. So with that said, I want to go over the offer in which he received, how it actually could be for Doordash drivers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Earn Dash anytime. Deliver at least 7 shop and deliver grocery orders with a 95% fill rate by January 8th, 2023, and earn access to Dash anytime. Dash anytime is basically the perks of Top Dasher, but instead of it just being the common way in which you would earn Top Dasher, you actually can earn it through the work you actually do. And if you don't know what Top Dasher is, I made a video talking all about it as of late. I'll leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. Now, normally, I would say Top Dasher is not worth it. But in this particular case, we're not talking about acceptance rate. We're talking about shop and deliver orders. Now, this is far from the first time that Doordash has given away Top Dasher, but nevertheless, this is actually a really cool concept. Like, instead of them just giving it away based on the time of year or whatnot, or people not really earning Top Dasher and then they just get it through an email or something, try it, see if you like it, or whatever they say. It's earned based on the work you do. Now, is that necessarily good for everybody? Not really. You could schedule yourself in if you have early access scheduling or something like that. But having an opportunity to actually earn Dash anytime is actually pretty exciting. The conditions are a little wonky to me. 7 shop and deliver grocery orders, not shop and deliver grocery orders at a 95% fill rate by a particular point in the week is a little confusing to me, because number one, you could get 6 shop and deliver grocery orders total and now you haven't filled it. But that being said, it's still an opportunity you could go for. And a 95% fill rate, that also assumes that the grocery stores in which you're shopping at are actually fully stocked in all of the things that the customer actually ordered. So let's say a customer orders 5 grocery items and they're missing 1 because the store just didn't have it. That's an 80% fill rate. That's not your fault. The store didn't have what was available. I don't know how much a substitute item actually accounts for the fill rate, if it accounts for it at all. But let's say the customer just wanted a refund for the 1 item that's it. Now suddenly you're SOL because you just did a grocery order at 80% fill rate, so it doesn't count towards the earn Dash anytime. So obviously this is a push for Doordash to actually get Dashers to do grocery orders. But that being said, there are 2 things I have to say about this. Number one, if you want to earn Dash anytime, it is available. It seems like a pilot program they're testing out. I don't know how effective it's gonna be, but I think it's interesting that they're adding opportunities to earn Top Dasher outside of just having an extremely high and non-profitable acceptance rate. And then there's the obvious argument of, if I want to do shop and deliver orders, why don't I just go to Instacart where they pay me better? And the truth is, why wouldn't you? Because that really is the case. All in all, I'm pretty happy that this is a thing on Doordash now, because I think that this is going to innovate Doordash, actually allow more opportunities for Top Dasher to be a thing. Also, we'll have orders being filled by drivers who actually want Top Dasher but aren't willing to have a 70% acceptance rate. I hope that they expand upon this concept, because quite honestly, I think that Top Dasher is a good idea, just poorly executed. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!